Hello and welcome again. This is Avikash. In this part we will code find item button. So for now let's just code double click the current stock item button and let's do a response dot redirect to page. This is when we click this button it should go to current stock.aspx page. Current stock.aspx. Okay, let's test it out. So if we run the website, we log in and we click current stock button and it shows us current stock.aspx. Let's code that back button to come to this home page. Because if someone bookmarks this button and they will click back, it will go to browser that back. Okay? So let's just do that very quickly. We open current stock, design, we just delete this button and pull our ASPX button. Text of the button is to change the text of the button to home like so, and then maybe the CSS of the button to button style main buttons, and then double click and do a response dot redirect, and we do what home page is called default.aspx. Save, finally check current stock, and if you see details runs fine, go back and go to home. So now let's just code the find button. To do that, to start with that, let's just work out the query for the find first. So let's do a new table adapter, next, and then query builder. I'll just paste in the codes here, and this is the code. Refresh, you can type it exactly like this. What I did is pulled some field from this table, and on a filter, this means that if the word they're typing does not even match exactly for what they are looking for example, if I type ball, so all the items with ball in front, in the middle, in the back will all come in search. So okay, next and finish, and we call this find item, then we save, and obviously we need a find item page, and the easiest way to create that is we copy the current stock page. So Control C, Control V, and then let's rename this page find item. Let's bind it to this page, to this button, to response dot redirect to find item dot aspx. Make sure the name is correct. Okay, and let's open this find item page. Everything, it's basically, for now it's same as current stock page. So let's make some lines over here, and maybe insert, maybe break down a HTML table, and maybe rename here to this type part of item name to this message, and then we drop one text box over here, make it big, and then let's put a button over here and call it search. Button will be search, and then we change this to the new find item we just created a code. Next it says Okay, next. And this time the information will come from a control, which is text box 1, and let's say default value 0, find, and it says it want to refresh. If I refresh, all the formatting will be gone, so I will just say no. And to test, I will run this page, save. Okay, let's try to set something, BALL, and then search, and sure enough it works. So all we have to do is just fix the design over here. So for this button, we just use our main button class. Main button. For this text box, we use our text box class. Make it a bit bigger. And let's see if it works. I should make it big wide as well, like so, and maybe no, it's okay. Let's see how it works. So yeah, we go to home, and from home, when the user clicks find item, and here he will search item. Oh, I press enter and he came to home. Let me try again, block, and then to search, it works fine. And if we see the details of the items, it all shows. Pretty good, pretty easy. All we need to do is press, when somebody press enter after the search, the cursor should the enter button should trigger search, but not home. So we have to trigger search. So let's do that now. So the way we do that is just select this button and find the name of the button. It's called button 2 right over here. So we go to form load of this page, form 1, and then we make some space here, and default button equals button 2. So this should work fine. Let's see. So if I type something here like nail and press enter, it runs search, but it will be better after the search the cursor retain here and then highlight this, so we can just over type it. Let's do that one now. So to do that, we go to Visual Studio and we go to the code behind file, and on the page load event we put in these codes. So it basically says when the page loads, set the focus to text box 1 and highlight text box 1 items using JavaScript. So let's see if it works. Let's start from this menu, save everything, click find item, and sure enough the cursor is there. If I look for something like chair, it searches, it highlights as it's supposed to, so I can over type again like nail, same, so it will be very easy and stuff like that. So, and then everything works well. So on the next video we will on the same video let's also code Lowstock item. I hope it's not taking too long. So let's just close out all these and go to our data and create another table adapter for Lowstock. Just use the same query, advanced, close these out, and let's paste in for items with Lowstock like so. So if we execute the query now, it will just find the items which have Lowstock is equals to true. So okay, and we go next, finish. Let's name this Lowstock, save all, and then let's create a copy of this current stock page and then rename it to Lowstock. Lowstock. Just open the page, go to design view, just change the query to Lowstock query, which we have where Lowstock, right? Next, and then finish. Do not refresh the design. Run to test the page. Sure enough, we are only shown item with Lowstocks. You can go back and home, and to finish off this video, let's just bind the Lowstock button. So response dot redirect to the Lowstock page. So it's called lowstock.aspx. So let's see. Yep, Lowstock, and we can go back. So maybe on the next video we will do some real coding on how to insert data using the add item. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for sticking out this long. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.